Wondering how Credit Karma compares to Experian for free credit scores? Let's break it down. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll explain the differences between Credit Karma and Experian's free credit score services to help you choose the best for your needs. Step 1. Credit Karma provides free credit scores based on TransUnion and Equifax reports, updated weekly. Step 2. Experian offers free credit scores based on their own data, updated monthly. Step 3. Credit Karma gives additional tools like credit monitoring alerts, personalized recommendations, and simulated credit score changes. Step 4. Experian's free service includes Experian Boost, which can increase your score by adding utility and phone bill payments. Step 5. Both services provide easy-to-understand credit reports, but Credit Karma covers 2 bureaus while Experian focuses on its own bureau. Step 6. Decide based on what fits your preference. Credit Karma for multiple bureau insights or Experian for Boost and Experian's exclusive data. Quick tip: using both can give you a more complete credit picture without any cost. Like this guide? Comment your experience and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.